So, I don't know about you, but quarantine has been boring. I've literally done nothing. This was a $50 shirt. But do things to entertain myself that let's just get into this video. So what I'm doing today is making some egg thing that I saw. I might as well just become a cooking channel at this point. So if you don't know, I love ATEEZ. If you don't know what ATEEZ is, it's a K-pop boy group that debuted, I think, in 2018. Anyways, they're great. I love them. And I watched Yeosang make this egg that you whip like 1,000 times or something like that. So I'm gonna do that because I want to know what the fuss is about. The ingredients are very simple. I'll show you. Here's the recipe. 2 bowls, 1 egg. Wow, I know, groundbreaking, right? So, first thing you do, you separate the egg. I already immediately got eggshells in this. I take that back. This is a weird egg. Scrap that. Different egg. What the frick is wrong with this egg? Look at this. What is in my egg? You can't see. What is that? So, I'm gonna throw this away. Set it aside for the dogs. I'm on doing it. Disgusting. New egg. Let's hope there's nothing weird in it. Cool, we're gonna crack it. Ready? Okay, there is also weird stuff in this egg, but it's not as weird as the last one, so I'm not gonna question it, and I'm still gonna eat it. If anyone knows any egg facts, and you later tell me that this was a bad idea because I had weird floating things in my egg. Oops. Put your yolk in other bowl. Done. Now you throw your egg thing in your compost because we compost in this house. So now you have these egg whites. Now this lovely boy whisked it with 2 chopsticks. Now I would be willing to take on that challenge, but I don't want to have to make you guys sit through a 3-hour video of me whisking egg whites. So we're just gonna use a hand whisk. I do have an electric whisk, but to stay truly authentic to the challenge, is this even a challenge? I'm gonna whisk it by hand. Cinematic parallels, anyone? The 70% whisking, 20% talking, and 70 cents. Oh, I'm having deja vu. Egg update, I'm gonna use the whisk because Mama raised a wimp. Whisk achieved. Egg just flew everywhere. The stiffest of peaks have been achieved. Look at that. You can hold it upside down and nothing will fall. Look at that. Yes, that's what we want. Cool. So, stiff peaks have been achieved. We're taking our lovely little egg yolk. Okay, and we're gonna put some salt in it. Don't know how much salt to put in it. That's enough. I guess. I don't know. His egg yolk was like a weird texture, so I'm gonna add more salt. And if I make it too salty, then I suffer. Then I was caught slipping, so it's my fault. Does anyone remember My Drunk Kitchen with Hannah Hart? Because that's kind of what this is like, but I'm just normal like this. Cool. I'm assuming the textures, I don't know. Yeah, just take this, throw it in your egg white. Cool. Egg yolk in thing. It looks like a Cadbury cream egg. No, I'm not gonna eat it like this. Okay, so he like mixed it together. I'm just gonna fold it as to not knock the air out of the egg whites. If you don't know what folding is, it's like drag it down the center and then like go around like that. I only know that because I make Nutella souffle like all the time. That's the only reason why I know that. That sounded really defensive. I don't know what else I would be folding things for. I don't know why I got really defensive about that. Fold your egg into your egg. This is so funny. This is so stupid. This weird egg mixture is complete. Now, you just cook it in a pan. Again, this is just weird. I don't really know what's going on. So, I'm gonna take you to my stove. Let's have some fun there. Welcome to my stove. Big ass pan. I have a smaller pan. Smaller. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but it's a lot of egg. Well, I mean, not really. It's just like a lot of egg for like one surface area, so nice flame. Yeah, cool. Since I don't trust it having just salt, I'm gonna add some black pepper to it because I'm a chef. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. Amarillo, anyone? No? Okay. This feels like watching water boil. I'll be back when it's interesting. Update. I flipped it. So now I'm just gonna wait. I put another pan over it because I don't have a cover for this pan. So I just put the other pan that I showed you over top of it, and hopefully the center will cook. I don't know. If I end up eating raw egg, then I end up eating raw egg. YOLO! Took a very artsy and artistic photo or video of my egg. Haha. Yeah, so this is the final product. It looks nice. I didn't burn it, shockingly. I kind of thought that I would. Now we're gonna have a taste test, and we'll see if making it was worth it. I'm gonna say no, because it's probably just gonna taste like egg, as most egg does. But it's fluffy on the inside. Spoiler alert, it tastes like egg. There's no real reason that you would need to make an egg like this. However, I will pull it apart and you can see that like the fluffiness on the inside. If it will focus, it probably won't. The fluffiness adds a bit of fun. So I'll give the egg that benefit of the doubt. But is it worth it? No. Is it fun to make? Yeah. And is it fun to eat? Yes. But is it worth dirtying a bunch of dishes to make it? No, just fry an egg. End of story. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.